In the last 48 hours, a mysterious object appeared in the sky, caught on camera by multiple people from different angles in different locations. It wasn't blinking like an airplane. It didn't move like a drone, and it didn't behave like anything we've seen before. At first glance, it looks unreal. A glowing object, silently hovering, then suddenly accelerating in a way that defies everything we know about physics. No sound, no visible propulsion, no explanation. And that's exactly why this sighting has reignited one of the most disturbing questions humanity has ever faced. Are we alone? Or worse, have we never been alone at all? Eyewitnesses describe the object as a bright, pulsating shape, sometimes circular, sometimes elongated, changing direction instantly, as if inertia simply didn't apply to it. One moment it's stationary. The next, it vanishes across the sky in less than a second. No sonic boom, no trail, just gone. And this is not an isolated case. Over the past few years, reports like this have increased dramatically. Not just from civilians, but from trained military pilots, radar operators, and government sensors. People who know exactly what should be in the sky and what shouldn't be. In several recorded incidents, advanced radar systems tracked objects performing maneuvers that would instantly destroy any known human aircraft. Sharp right-angle turns at hypersonic speeds, sudden drops from high altitude to near sea level in seconds, hovering without wings, rotors, or exhaust. If a human pilot were inside, they wouldn't survive. So what, or who, is controlling these things? Some say it's secret military technology, but here's the problem with that explanation. If one country possessed technology this advanced, it would completely dominate every battlefield on Earth. And yet, no such technology has ever been revealed. Not in wars, not in conflicts, not even as a deterrent, which leads to a far more unsettling possibility. These objects may not belong to any nation, or even this planet. Governments have started changing their language. What was once dismissed as weather balloons or optical illusions is now officially labeled as UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. Notice the shift. Not flying objects, not craft, phenomena. Because whatever these things are, they don't behave like machines. They behave like something else. Some scientists believe these objects could be probes, autonomous systems sent to observe Earth, just like we send rovers to Mars, except far more advanced. Others suggest something even stranger, that these objects may not be traveling through space, but through dimensions we barely understand. Modern physics already accepts that reality may contain more dimensions than we can perceive. If that's true, then these sightings might not be visitors from far away. They could be right here, overlapping our reality, watching. And then there's the most disturbing theory of all. What if these objects aren't new? What if they've been here for a very long time? Ancient texts from civilizations across the world describe strange lights in the sky, flying chariots, gods descending from above, beings that came from the heavens and left just as mysteriously. For centuries, we dismissed these as myths, but now we're seeing the same patterns. Captured on modern cameras, high resolution, multiple witnesses, hard data. And here's the part no one likes to talk about. If an advanced intelligence is observing Earth, they're not announcing themselves. They're not making contact. They're not landing on the White House lawn. They're watching quietly, testing boundaries, measuring responses, appearing briefly, then disappearing, almost as if they don't want to be seen. Or worse, they don't care if they are. Some encounters report interference with electronics, vehicles shutting down, communication systems failing, as if whatever controls these objects can manipulate technology effortlessly. And if that's true, What else can they manipulate? Now ask yourself this. Humanity has been transmitting radio signals into space for over a century. Our location, our technology level, our presence. If someone or something was out there, they already know we're here. So the real question isn't, do aliens exist? The real question is, why now? Why are sightings increasing as our technology advances? Why are governments slowly admitting they don't know what these objects are? Why is the conversation shifting from denial to quiet acknowledgement? Some researchers believe we're approaching a threshold, a point where humanity becomes advanced enough to notice what was always there, like ants suddenly realizing they're inside a laboratory, unaware they're being studied. And that thought should terrify you. Because if these objects are not human, and not hostile, that still doesn't mean they're friendly. From a cosmic perspective, humanity is young, unpredictable, violent. Would you reveal yourself to a species like us? Or would you watch from a distance until you decide what to do next? Every UFO sighting leaves us with more questions than answers. And maybe that's the point, because whatever is out there, it clearly wants to remain just beyond our understanding, seen but never fully revealed. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this: space is vast, silent, and full of secrets. And somewhere out there, or maybe closer than we think, something is watching us back. And if you want to explore more hidden truths, cosmic mysteries, and the questions space doesn't want us to ask, follow us for more insights and subscribe to the channel.